lights are out. Car corner pace car. He ducks to the infield. The field down the back straightaway, rolling up the RPMs and their sixers. Here we go. Sixer racing. Green flag's out. Jerry Fortson and that 7 car out of Durand, your early leader, and his old Pontiac. David Cavan and the Purple People leader, 81, making his way up to the rear bumper of that 7 car. Check him out. He's looking to the inside. The rest of the field, they forgot to see the green flag. 33 is going to head to the infield. Now we got a battle for the lead. Here the tires are squealing. Jerry Fortson in that 7, the silver car, hanging on. Yeah, look out. He's getting close to the wall. Cavan in that 81 sneaks out to the lead down the back straightaway. Well, we got a battle for the lead at least. The rest of the field is just getting started. Must be rookies. Great battle for the lead. Cavan to the inside with that 81. Slower traffic will prevail. Let's see what happens here now. Almost a dead heat at the line. The tires are really squealing on that Pontiac. A white flag is a-flying. This is it. All the money is on the line here. Pick your favorite, the 7 or the 81. And it's the 81. David Cavan out of Rockford, Illinois. The 7 of Jerry Fortson out of Durand comes home second. I'll give the 68 the third place position. John Reichs out of Belvedere. In the 84, Grandma's Buick of Dakota Paris out of McChesney Park.